Hi students. Now we must continue our learning about pronoun. We start with the third category, relative pronoun. As with the name you can see relative mean it relates something with other thing. A relative pronoun introduces relative clauses. It means that relative pronoun is going to introduce other part of the sentence. Simply, you can say that it works just like a conjunction in the sentence. A conjunction combines or relates two sentences. Same is the case with this pronoun. If we are going to see this, I will give a treat to whoever find my wallet. मैं उसको ट्रीट दूंगा जिसको भी मेरा वॉलेट मिलेगा. दिस इज़ द बुक. दिस इज़ ए पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. दिस इज़ अ सेंटेंस. दिस इज़ द बुक. ये वो किताब है विच आई वांट, जो मैं चाहता हूँ. आई मेट द वुमेन. मैं उस औरत से मिला हुज सन हेल्प मी, जिसके बेटे ने मेरी मदद की. Whose is going to introduce or going to relate this part of sentence with this. Whose son helped me. I have done work which I must do. मैंने वो काम कर लिया है जो मुझे करना चाहिए. People who eat too much become fat. जो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा खाते हैं वो मोटे हो जाते हैं. He tells a tale that is not true. उसने वो कहानी सुनाता है जो कि सच्ची नहीं है. You can see these are the pronouns that, who, which, whose. They are going to relate. The relative clauses are the other part of the sentence. Examples are that relates something, some object, some animal. Who relates some person, whom, which relates something, some animal. It might be some animal, whose, whoever, whichever, etc. Okay, then next come interrogative pronoun. You can say with the name by only seeing the name of the pronoun. Interrogative, you ask, you interrogate about something, you ask about something. Word interrogative pronoun are used to ask questions. Interrogative pronoun are used, इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं to ask some question. They are going to ask about something and used in the start of the sentence. And they are used in the start of the sentence. What did you say? तुमने क्या कहा? It is going to interrogate about something which you said. Which will you choose? तुम कौन सी चीज़ choose करोगे? It is going to mention, it is going to interrogate about the thing which you want to choose. What is your name? So you can see the examples who, whose, whom, what, which, whose. They are the interrogative pronouns. They ask about something. Okay, then comes the reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Words like myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself are used as reflexive pronouns. You are going to see, students, myself, ourselves. Simply you can say that by looking at these nouns you can see that they are reflexive pronoun. In simple words you can say, if I am going to read some sentences for you, I will do my work by myself. मैं अपना काम खुद करूँगा. You are coming by yourself. तुम खुद आ रहे हो. If I say when sometimes the object is reflecting its subject. When sometimes object, this is an object, this is going to become an object. This object is going to directly reflects its subject. You have become yourself. Same here. Mr. Shah cut himself while shaving. himself is going to reflect its subject. Mr. Shah, why is that cat biting itself? ये बिल्ली अपने आप को क्यों काट रही है? Itself is going to reflect cat. So this is called reflexive pronoun. These are the examples of the reflexive pronoun, and you have to make the sentences by using all these kinds of pronouns. This is your task, you have to do it.